magic of learning, unlocking dreams through education. Once upon a time, in a faraway village called Educationville, there lived two siblings named Aiden and Amelia. They were curious about the world and fascinated with learning. One sunny day, Miss Jenny, their teacher, blew their mind away with one special book. Thus, Aiden and Amelia gather around their teacher. Miss Jenny introduces them to a special book that will teach them about the world and its wonders. Aiden and Amelia learned about the 7 continents of the world and their wonders. They are amazed and inspired by what they have learned. They become fascinated to learn more and decide to set their goals. Aiden and Amelia learned that education is the key to unlocking their dreams and achieving their goals. They both agreed that they must be willing to learn and work hard if they must achieve their dream. Aiden was the curious type who was fascinated about the world. He had a dream of traveling the world and experiencing the beauty of nature. Miss Jenny encouraged Aiden and Amelia to keep working hard and pursue their passion and dreams. Miss Jenny reminded Aiden and Amelia to keep asking questions and seeking knowledge, as education is the key to achieving all their dreams. After their inspirational encounter with Miss Jenny, Aiden now wants to be a teacher, and Amelia wants to become a climatologist. Amelia believed that being a climatologist, she would help save the world from climate change. They all want to contribute their part, making the world a better place. Aiden and Amelia continued to read and learn more. They encouraged other kids to do the same. All thanks to Miss Jenny for what they have learned, Aiden and Amelia lived happily, knowing that the key to unlocking their dreams was within them all along. The moral of the story is that education is the key to unlocking dreams and achieving goals. Aiden and Amelia learned that curiosity, learning, and hard work are essential in pursuing their passions and making a positive impact on the world. They realized that knowledge is a powerful tool that can help them reach their aspirations and contribute to a better future.